10th Standard Geography 6th Lesson Physical Geography of Tamil Nadu 3rd part. In this part we'll see about the wildlife, natural disasters and different types of forest. Now we'll see about natural vegetation. What is natural vegetation? That is without man's efforts, trees are grown. That is called as natural vegetation or forest. Natural vegetation refers to the forest cover, landforms, nature of soil, temperature and rainfall are the major factors that control the distributions of natural vegetation. As per National Forest Policy 1988, a minimum one third of total geographical area must be under forest cover, but in Tamil Nadu it is not like that. That is one third of the in Tamil Nadu, one third of the geographical area is not covered by the forest. Types of forest. There are the different types of forest, that is tropical evergreen forest, montane temperate forest, tropical deciduous forest, mangrove forest, tropical thorn forest. These are the types of forest grown in Tamil Nadu. Now we'll see about tropical evergreen forest. The forest type is found in the region that is receive heavy rainfall. Tropical evergreen forest area, that is the cover the very heavy rainfall. It is a dense, multi-layered forest. It is found in the upper slopes of western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, Nilgiris and Coimbatore. The more tree species of this forest are cinnamon, Malabar ironwood, Java, etc., Java plum or jamun, jack, etc. These are the trees grown in the tropical evergreen forest, that is densely area is covered by forest and heavy rainfall area is called as the tropical evergreen forest. Montane temperate forest. It is found in sheltered valleys of Anaimalai, Nilgiris and Palani Hills over a 1,000 meters altitude. They are known as sholas. The trees in the forest are evergreen naturally and usually short. Nilgiri chamba, whites, litchi and rose apples are the common trees found in this forest. So it is this type of mountain temperate forest. These types of forest you can see in the Animalai Hills, Nilgiri Hills and Palani Hills and over a 1,000 meters altitude. These forests are known as solas and these trees are always usually green and short. Nilgiri chamba, whites, litchi and rose apple are the common trees you can see in the montane temperate forest. Tropical deciduous forest. The trees in this forest shed their leaves during the dry season. The trees reach up to a height of 30 meters. Like some of the trees are cotton, kapok, kadamba, etc. But bamboos are also common in this type of forest. Mangrove forest. This type of forest is found in the coastal areas, river deltas, tails of islands. The vegetation is typically evergreen, moderate in height, and has leathery leaves. The vegetation of this forest is adapted to survive in the tidal mud and salt water. Asiatic mangrove, white mangrove, wild jasmine, etc. are the name of the trees grown in the area of mangrove forest. And areas like Pichavaram, Vedaranyam, Muthupet, Chattaram and Thoothukudi are the famous places for the mangrove forest. Tropical thorn forest. Thorn forest in Tamil Nadu is found where there is a little rainfall area. These forests are found from plains up to 400 meters altitude. The common areas of this forest are rusty acacia, wheel, neem, and palm. These are the trees grown in the tropical thorn forest. Shrubs are common vegetation in this type of forest. So this type of the forest you can see in the districts of Dharmaburi, Ramanathapuram and Virudhunagar. Now, wildlife. Animals and birds lives in forest constitute the wildlife. Tamil Nadu has a variety of wild animals, birds and reptiles. Hills are an ideal refuge for elephants, bisons, tigers, deer and monkeys. Several wildlife sanctuaries and national parks have been set up to protect the animal life in the state. Biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu, that is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, Agasthyar Malai Biosphere Reserve. Tamil Nadu is a state with varied climate, landforms and resources. This makes our state a distinct one among the Indian states. In Tamil Nadu, if the available resources are utilized properly, it may continue to be at the top in the country. So we have more resources in Tamil Nadu, but these resources are not utilized properly. If it is utilized properly by the people, definitely it may continue to be at the top in the country. Natural disasters of Tamil Nadu. Now we'll see about the natural disasters in Tamil Nadu and the measures to be adopted before, during and after different disasters. First one, landslide. What is landslide? It means a collapse of a mass of earth or rock from the mountain is called landslide. Water is the most common trigger of a landslide. Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu is identified most vulnerable districts in the country of the landslides. Then Coimbatore, Palani Hills and Kodaikanal Hills are the most affected area of the landslide. Risk reduction measures, that is before landslide occurs, what we have to do. First one, create awareness, stay alert and awake, monitor the news updates, make evacuations plan, listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate moving debris such as trees, cracking boulders knocking. Then if the landslides occurs, what we have to do after that? Stay away from the landslide area, first one. Listen to local radio or television station for the latest emergency information, that is second one. Third one, watch for flooding. Fourth one, which may occur after a landslides or debris flow. Check for injured and trapped persons near the slide without entering the direct slide area. These are the awareness we have to do after the landslide occurs. Now, under the natural disasters, we are going to see about flood. Flood is a common one in the coastal districts of Tamil Nadu during northeast monsoon. The recent flood occurred in the state was in 2015. Risk reduction measures before before the flood occurs, what we have to do. Know about relief centers and evacuation routes. Keep emergency phone numbers and important information. Fold and roll up things on to higher ground. Now during the flood, what we have to do? Be quick, keep safe and ensure that children and elderly are safe by leaving the house to a higher ground. Turn off all electrical appliances and gas. Leave the area before it's. Get too late. Don't drive through the water. Stay away from power lines or broken power transmissions cables and try to keep away from flood water. So when the flood comes, these are the activities you have to do. After the flood over, what we have to do, that is make sure to get back inside your house. Keep all powers and electrical appliances off. Before it is okay to put them on and wear appropriate dress before cleaning house, which is necessary to clean the contaminations. When the flood occurs, the water also got inside. Due to that, the water contaminated water inside. So before entering that, you have to clean up contaminated water, then you have to be there. Cyclone. The coastal regions of Tamil Nadu are often hit by the tropical cyclones formed in the Bay of Bengal during the northeast monsoon. Occurrence of flood, losses to lives and properties are the recurring one in the state. So before cyclones come, what we have to do? That is ignore rumors, stay calm, don't be panic. Keep your mobile phones charged to ensure connectivity. Use SMS, listen to radio, watch TV, read newspapers for weather updates. Keep your documents and valuables in waterproof containers. Prepare an emergency kits with essential items for survival. Untie cattle or animals for their safety. We must not tie the cattle or animals. If when the cyclone comes, if we will not untie the animals, definitely it will rush off. Then fishermen should keep a radio set with extra batteries handy. Keep boats and rafts tied up safely. Now during cyclone, what we have to do? That is take care of old and young. Keep all the family members inside the house. Switch off all electrical appliances. Stay in empty room. Movable items should be kept securely tied. Try to help your neighbors, but don't go out during cyclone. Then after the cyclone, what we have to do? Those who shifted to the cyclone center must remain there till instructions are received. Strictly avoid loose electrical wires after the cyclones. Beware of, beware of snakes and other animals immediately after the cyclone. Draft. Tamil Nadu is water deficit state. It is almost a regular one and not a seasonal one. It depends mostly on northeast monsoon for its rain. To manage the water deficit, rainwater harvesting and water conservation methods have to be implemented strictly. Some methods of water conservation, that is protections of water from pollution, redistributions of water, renovation of traditional water resources, use of modern irrigation methods, increasing the forest cover, changing the cropping pattern, flood management. We have to follow the flood management. These are the way we have to conserve the water. Fire accident. Tamil Nadu is a tropical state. The high temperature during summer leads to occasional forest fire in deciduous and thorn forest. Before the fire accident, what we have to do? Keep all trees and shrubs trimmed. Use approved fire resistant materials. Make evacuation plans with family members. When the fire accident occurs, during that time, what you have to do? Listen to radio, watch TV, read newspapers for updates. If adequate water available, fill buckets with water. Turn a light on your room in case of smoke. Turn off gas and electrical appliances and be ready to evacuate all family members. Then after the fire accident occurs, what we have to do? That is, check with fire officials before attempting to return to your home. Use caution when re-entering a burned area. Check the roof and exterior areas for sparks and embers. Embers, it means like a small piece of glowing coal or glowing fire. Tea tsunami is not a common one in India. Its incident in 2004 alerted India and the state of Tamil Nadu. Before tea tsunami, what you have to do? If you live in a coastal area, know about tea tsunami risk and local warning arrangements. Develop household emergency plans. Know where the nearest high ground is and how you will reach it. So during the tea tsunami time, what you have to do? Take your getaway kit. Don't travel areas at risk. Move immediately nearest high ground. If you cannot escape tea tsunami, go to an upper story of the buildings or climb onto a roof or tree or grab a floating objects. Never go to the shore to watch tea tsunami and listen to local radio stations as emergency management. After tsunami, what you have to do? That is, continue to listen to the radio. Don't return to the evacuation zone until authorities have given all clear. Check yourself for injuries and get first aid and help others. Earthquake. The state of Tamil Nadu is located in the moderately low risk zone. During earthquake, what you have to do? Take cover under a strong table or any other piece of furniture and remain under cover until the shaking stops. After earthquakes, what you have to do? That is, proceed cautiously once the earthquake has stopped and always avoid roads, bridges that might have been damaged by the earthquake.